Hello everyone, it's the Agave guys. Welcome back and welcome to the new year 2022. Only great things for the future. Well, before we get into it, I want to say like, comment, and subscribe. Put the comments down below what you want to see next. You know, anything in particular. But
So today we're gonna review Teremana, which is Dwayne the Rock Johnson tequila. So let's get into that.
It's about.
Well, Lopi, first of all, I'm a huge fan of The Rock. He's been a fan of tequila for a while, so I think he's been working on the Teremana project for a couple of years now. It is made in Jesus Maria. He bought his own gnome, gnome 1613. For those who don't know what a gnome is, it's pretty much like an ID card to say, hey, this tequila is made from this factory, vice versa. But the main gnome at that factory is 1416. They make tequilas like Campo Azul and Arracran. And I mean, The Rock hit a home run with this dude. They apparently, according to the Spirit websites, he sold 300,000 cases in the first year.
300,000.
Yeah, so
Wow.
which is roughly around 1.8 million bottles of Teremana in the first year. This came out last year. It's in the cheaper side, I would say, for celebrity tequilas. Because usually celebrity tequilas, they're like, I'm gonna charge you like $50 a bottle. You buying it because
just hype of the name.
yeah, Kylie Jenner.
So it could just taste like, you know, pee pee poo poo.
I mean, if it tastes like the Rock people are gonna drink it. But this one's this one's $30, which is, in my opinion, not too bad. You know, $30.
Yeah,
Tequila.
$30. I mean,
I wouldn't say it's on the low end, but I wouldn't say it's in the high end. I say it's in the middle of the pack. The name Teremana means tierra, which means earth in Latin and Spanish, and mana, which means spirit in Polynesian. I don't know. They all speak the same language because I think it's Samoan. So, and in the song Face Off, it says mana. Remember? So,
no. Well, I love that song.
yeah,
I don't think
but yeah, he says scream mana, and that's when they do the tongue.
You're gonna scream, mom.
Oh, the Haka?
Haka, I think. Yeah, but he says mana in the song.
Oh, okay.
So let's get into the review. Luffy, you want to pour some shots?
Oh, absolutely. So, I mean, just going off just the visuals of this. Ooh. The visuals of this looks pretty good. I mean, not just because it's The Rock, but it's very nice design. It's got a mountain bag here. Handcraft from the Highlands of Agave.
To say that The Rock did his homework on packaging it, he did, because like Lopi said, it says handcrafted, small batch, but again, we just saw that.
Handcrafted?
Yeah, handcrafted.
So he himself went all the way down there and was just physically doing all the work.
Oh yeah, he ripped piñas with his hands and everything.
Absolute shit.
But you know, he has very key terms, I like to call it. Handcrafted. When you think handcrafted, you think quality. Small batch, even though they made over 1.8 million bottles, so I don't think that's too small batch. I do like that it has the bottle number. It has it's gluten free. Oh, tequila is gluten free, so.
I don't know why they have that.
Yeah, it's marketing at that point.
Marketing, okay.
Yeah,
I mean, The Rock himself is marketing.
oh yeah, like,
I mean, what more do you need?
You see that, man? No gluten in that, man. Right? It tells you how they make the tequila, which is pretty cool. You know, it's 100% blue wave agave. They roast it in brick ovens. I'm not sure how true.
Brick ovens?
Brick ovens. Copper pots, all that. It tells you the calories, which is a new trend in tequilas nowadays.
I mean, how often does... I mean...
It's pretty healthy. I mean, one shot of tequila is better than drinking like a beer, you know? That's
of
why.
course.
So, like, it tells you, okay, this has like 1.8 carbs and all that, which is a new thing. I see Don Julio doing it down there. And you know, The Rock being The Rock.
96 calories for 1.5 ounces.
Which is a shot.
Okay. 0 carbohydrates, 0 sugars, certified gluten-free.
Yes.
Very good. There's even a signature back here. Very nice.
Yes. Starting with the aroma of... Dude, I ain't getting... I'm not smelling what The Rock is cooking. Apparently, according to his bottle, I'm supposed to smell citrus. I'm not kidding. No, citrus. How about you, Luffy?
Sure, citrus.
I'm getting alcohol, like rubbing alcohol. That's what I'm getting.
Rubbing alcohol?
Yeah, that's about it. I'm trying real hard to find that citrus, but I ain't finding it.
Let's hear that sniff. Oh, alright.
Yeah, I'm not finding nothing. Rubbing alcohol?
Yeah, I'd say the same.
Let's move on to the taste, Luffy.
Oh, custom made cup over
Oh,
there.
Got it, Christmas.
Oh, okay.
Okay, according to The Rock, which I trust that man with my life.
Because he devours.
Yes. It doesn't say how it's supposed to taste smooth and fresh. Fresh. That burns. Not smooth. Man, I love The Rock. I'm not finding anything.
Citrus.
You get a citrus this time?
Oh yeah.
What kind?
Citrus. Definitely not smooth. That's one of the more rougher.
Dude, I am not finding anything, dude. And I'm digging deep. Like I told you, I love The Rock. Oh man. I'm getting just alcohol. Ooh, this is rough, man. Maybe in a margarita.
Yes.
That's about it. Honestly, like if you're trying to find any flavor,
Citrus.
this reminds me of like when people think, oh, this tastes like tequila, like Jose Cuervo, you know, like oh, I mean,
I say everything tastes like tequila.
Shut up, bitch!
masses, you know, it's like, oh, I had bad tequila experience in college. This is what this tastes like.
Oh, well, yeah, you're buying
Mix-
bottom of the bucket type
Yeah,
shit. No
so-
offense for the Rock. But
Oh yeah, The Rock, like, you're gonna be my friend, like, that'd be awesome. But yeah,
It burns.
I'm just getting mixed tequila, but so when it's not 100% agave, it's mixed tequila. That's what's usually found in like cheap margaritas.
Uh-huh.
That's what dude, this is burning.
So this is the kind of stuff that you're gonna wake up with a bad hangover with.
But it's handcrafted by The Rock, so maybe he comes at when you're sleeping and takes care of you.
Comes and take care of you while you're sleeping.
Because it's handcrafted. Yeah, but this is rough. He's gonna come with his big hands.
Oh God! Caress me with his bald ass head.
I'm living The Rock like that.
Just because he can't grow hair. Well, actually, he can curly hair.
Oh yeah,
Bring
that
back
big
that.
hand. Okay.
Bring back that Rock. Classic.
Oh, and the game plan too. The game plan when he was an NFL player and he had a kid. Good movie, I recommend it. So, he had hair. That's when he was not buff.
Not as buff.
Oh, fun fact, you can find this tequila in the new movie, The Red Notice.
You can't prove that was me.
The Netflix one?
Red Notice is the one where they.
The Netflix one when he hangs out with Ryan
Oh, Ryan Reynolds.
and Wonder Woman. Yeah,
Good movie. Good movie.
Good movie. Not good tequila.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Rock. I mean,
Sorry, not sorry.
yeah. I mean,
But
he,
I mean-
he doesn't need our money.
No, he doesn't need our money, but
He doesn't need your money either.
Well, I mean,
No.
you could always try it. Doesn't hurt.
I mean, if you're a Rock fan, hell yeah, get it.
I don't know about that. Watch the movies. Don't buy the tequila. I'm sorry.
Buy his shoes too. That comes to them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Shoes, his hat, yeah.
Yeah. I don't have the shoes in there. You can buy. I have him on, but that's fine.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I guess let's move on to our reviews. Let's start off. See you finishing it. Well, I'm gonna start off with the looks of the bottle.
I devour.
He hungry. Overall, the looks, you know, for being like
That was like that.
30 bags, 30 bucks,
Mhm.
and I give it like maybe a 6 out of 10. I do appreciate that it tells you like the production style. Very clean. It looks like a Trader Joe's tequila.
Yeah.
I do like his little, I'm assuming Samoan logo.
Assume? Huh?
Yeah. Name's cool. I like how it says bottle numbers, and overall, like 6 out of 10 for the box. It's $30.
Yeah, $30. I will say this is the most confident cork to date of our reviews. I was on a struggle bus trying to remove that.
What's a plastic one?
I mean, I will
Here.
still go for the plastic screw off tops.
Like it's the
Nipple
same.
thing.
It's the same like thing as this, but like he painted it black and put his logo on top.
And like 10 times harder.
Oh yeah, like whoever's the rock.
You need the rock strength to
Yeah,
get this
like-
SOB out, you know?
And then it kind of looks like a rock, like the color. You think, look at it,
What kind of rocks are you looking at?
like the volcanic stone rocks that you. No, come on, Loki. Samoan. They have volcanoes in Samoa.
But yes, there is a logo up on top, logo everywhere. You know, hey, it's pretty recognizable. Hey, the Rock made this, blah blah blah. 7 out of 10.
Technically, you have. He signed it for me.
I mean, okay. Okay.
Taste. Oh, Rock, I love you, guy. No homo. We won't though. But this is awful. This is poo caca.
I wouldn't say that far. I mean, what's poo caca? Is that Tapatio?
I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10. It would be a 1 out of 10 if it wasn't Rock Tequila.
Sure.
But 3 out of 10. The only notes I'm getting is rubbing alcohol. It's like rubbing alcohol. And I think it's cheaper than, I mean, you can get rubbing alcohol for what, $5?
Yeah, but that's not, you shouldn't be adjusting that.
I rather drink that than this. But yeah, 3 out of 10. It is what it is. I mean, you just put a picture of himself, do the eyebrow thing back there. That's pretty cool. I was doing his tech thing. That was pretty cool. Yeah, look lovely. Make Rock ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, 3 out of 10 for
I'm a boulder.
taste. Lopi, what is your taste?
Taste wise, definitely not the worst thing.
You're ugly.
5 out of 10. Average. Very rough going down. Citrus taste smacks you right in the taste buds. That was probably very loud. But it's definitely not the worst thing I've ever had. Top of 2 is down there with it. But 5 out of 10.
Okay, let's move on to price. I have to respect the Rock. Just honestly, could charge people $40, $50, and people will pay for it.
$30.
$30. I think that's an awesome thing he did.
Yeah.
You know, like I think the Rock's probably like the most liked guy on the planet. So like he probably, like I said, he can charge whatever he wants. But for him to be like, yeah, let's put it at $30, I respect that. You know.
Well, yeah. I mean, the
You're welcome.
cheaper the better in terms of wanting to move product. Plus, you have that name already attached to it, so it's already going to sell like hotcakes. Like you said previously, 380,000 cases were.
No, 300,000 cases were sold.
Oh, okay, so sold. So that's
1.8 million
So
bottles.
1.8 in just a year.
Again, the Rock is the Rock. So like the price, I respect it. You know,
$30.
I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10. If it was like $25, then I would just buy this just so I can have Rock product in my house.
7 out of 10.
Overall, pretty good. You know, good job, Rock. I'm proud of you with that price.
As a taste test, not so much.
Yeah.
But price. Good
Oh,
job.
yeah. You get you don't get a Rock bottle.
That's bad.
That's bad, yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to take it closely. Okay. For the final review.
Mm-hmm.
Let me finish this up. You tell me what's your final review.
Yeah, I mean, you seem to be struggling.
Yeah,
I mean, I even finished before you did.
I'm gonna drink some real tequila after this.
Ooh. Bang bang, shots fired. Anyways, final review. Out of 10, I would have to give this 7.5 out of 10. Price is a good seller. Taste is average. I think it might be pretty good in, a mixed drink, something like that. I mean, as seen, mixed drinks are bomb. So this average thing could obviously make something extraordinary. So extraordinary, I'd
Devour.
Again, I'm a huge fan of The Rock.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen him in WWF or the movies. But he He disappointed me with this one.
It doesn't matter what you think!
Doesn't kill my favorite. Like if they had a Bronco on it, I'd be like, oh damn, like I could die. Like a happy man.
Yeah.
But overall, dude, like I give it like a 4 out of 10. Again, the most important thing in my opinion when it comes to tequila taste, it was rock bottom. It was not the people's champion.
So was this worse than the Tooth Fairy?
Ooh, that's a good question, Alfie. I
The
should like
Tooth
that.
Fairy
I should
were-
like that movie though. You didn't like that movie?
No, that was probably one of his worst films in my opinion. But...
No.
So Tooth Fairy or his tequila?
I would call this a sky.
It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour.
Yeah, so you don't even know that movie. That's how bad.
Skyscraper
Yeah, that,
movie?
I think it's called Skyscrapers.
Is that the one where he's like in a burning skyscraper and he like...
He has like a peg leg, I think, in that movie. I don't remember too much. But I would rate it that. Like, the worst rock movie ever made. Scorpion King. When from the Mummy returns. You remember that?
Don't like that.
Yeah, but remember the CGI?
Hey yo, what the?
Yeah,
So that was... Okay, anyways.
Okay, anyway, from the tequila, Pupu Caca, I don't even remember what I gave it. I think it was like 4 out of 10.
Yeah, you something like that.
2 rock bottoms. And yeah, that's the reveal of the Rock's Tequila, Teremana. Lopi, you wanna say anything to these beautiful people watching this video?
I think I will. So folks, in the beginning of this year, we're gonna go out strong and continue going strong this entire year. We're planning some big things in our eyes. I mean, you know, that kind of thing. But I just want to wish everyone a great New Year's and 2 more fantastic tequila reviews.
Yeah, we're gonna try getting a video every other week.
Try.
Maybe this summer we can do once a week, but we gotta see how the schedule work and let us know which tequila you guys want us to try. I mean, this is one I wanted to try, but I didn't want to buy, but the Rock took $30 for me. So.
Hey, $30 over $200, right?
I guess, yeah. I still love you, Rock. Oh, this is Manny.
This is lovely.
Ciao.
Thank you, Teremana.